California, there is a long-term care task force. And a couple of years ago, I actually brought this part up. I said, look, California has problems with living benefit riders being approved for anybody that is buying a policy that is age 65 and older and on annuity contracts. I want this fixed. I have not heard anything new on this. It's been a couple of years. Every time I see the guy, I bring it up. What's the status on this? Because this is not what lawmakers and what regulators should be doing, which is making things worse for the consumer. And I don't like it when laws have unintended consequences. I want them to restore these options back. And then ideally, I would imagine this, if the law is restored back for Californians, then all insurance companies would amend all of their policies. I've seen this happen before. They would say all of them get to be have this new rider put on with no additional cost or anything. They now get them all as of a certain effective date. I've seen something like that happen before with a company, and they would offer something and they said, we've now made it retroactive for all policies. So I'd love to see that happen, but because it's in the fine print, not every agent may necessarily understand that.